Hello guys, welcome back to another TryHackMe Capture the Flag challenge. Today we will be working on another beginner level CTF challenge and its name is Startup. So let's get started. So this is the room. I just completed this a while ago and um, this is basically a startup which has created a website on port 80. So before getting into the website, let's start the nmap scan to check what all things are uh, exposed. Okay, this is the IP address, sudo nmap and $IP password here, and let's keep it running. I'm just opening another window here, not at the bottom, on the right side, and let's just enter the IP address and we will come back here and let's open the website. No spice here, um, and no, you can see the email ID below. There is no email ID. Let's open the source and nothing special here when we are going to update this. And on the right hand side we can see no email address and no file uh, or CSS or JS file placed here. So let's back to our nmap result, and it says the FTP is open on port 21. It is anonymous and we can see three files here: notice.txt, important.jpg, and this directory called FTP, and it says writable. Okay, then we can see on port 22 SSH is open, and port 80 we can see it is Apache 12, and that's pretty much. So we will get into the FTP with anonymous to check all these files, but before that let's start the GoBuster scan. GoBuster TIRU and HTTP / dollar IP. I'm choosing the word list from Derby and um, the common one maybe, and thread let's set to 20 and extension PHP. We will keep it running and we will come back to GoBuster. Meanwhile, let's figure out what is an FTP. Okay, anonymous, password blank, ls. So let's grab these files, get important dot jpg and get notice dot txt. Okay, and let's see. So there is one more file .text.log. Let's grab that as well. And we can see the FTP directory is writable. Okay, let's see if anything is there. No file. Okay, let's exit, or let's exit from here for now, and let's see plus minus la cat dot. Let's see the hidden directory, hidden file first. Nothing here. Cat notice dot text. Whoever is leaving the dam among us, it is not funny. We are a joke. Now I know who it is, but Maya is looking pretty sus. So don't know if this could be a user. This is I thought earlier. Okay, so I'm just pasting the content here and the important .jpg. So let's open the file. Come on. Okay, desktop downloads. Open folder, and here it is. Open with image viewer. Everybody asks who is the imposter, but nobody asks who how is the imposter. So initially I thought this word aditya.xt could be a clue, but it's not. So let's check if we find anything uh, in this file. This is a standard JPEG file, nothing in here. Um, EXIF tool. Uh, so this is how I just scan the JPEG files in the sequence file, then EXIF tool, nothing in here, and then strings important.jpg if some file or something is hidden here. So nothing. Okay, so we are done with these files and let's go back to GoBuster. Okay, so the scan is complete. So there is a directory called files and the server status is not accessible and nothing we can access except /files. So let's see what is there on the files directory. Okay, notice.txt important.jpg, so looks familiar, and the FTP folder which is fully writable, so we can do something with the FTP and we can upload some files and we can access using um, HTTP. So let's upload a web shell, uh, but why not a reverse shell? Okay, so I'm grabbing the syntax quickly. Um, okay, so what is the IP address of our machine? So it's 10.8.21.57. Nice. Okay, so nano file.php, and this is the syntax. I'm saving it. You can have a look. So this is a pretty standard PHP reverse shell syntax using netcat, and this is the IP address and port is 9443. So let's start the netcat shell, sudo ncnvlp and 9443, and let's go to, okay, before that we need to upload the file. Okay, I'm canceling this. ftp $ip anonymous, no password, ls cd ftp and put file.php. That's it. So let's start the netcat again and refresh file.php and we got the shell. Okay, the user is www-data. Let's upgrade our shell. Um, so I'm not going to type the syntax, I'm just pasting it here, and our directory is ftp. Okay, so we have already checked what is in ftp directory. I am going down a bit. HTML lsla. Okay, nothing in here. Okay, what are the users in /home? Okay, so we got one user. So uh, initially I thought that this is a username Maya, but it is not. Okay, so this is the user. And let's see if we can run anything using sudo l, nothing. And I mean, we cannot check, we don't have the password. Let's enter 3 times to cancel this. If I will press Ctrl C, I will get out of the netcat reverse shell. Okay, so we can upload cd/opt ls. We can upload lin piece. Okay, and before, okay, ftp $ip. Let's upload it. Anonymous, password blank, and cd ftp. And we can run the Python 3 HTTP server as well, but I am uploading using FTP, so it's the same thing. Put linpiece.sh. Okay, to send data. And so we were at files/ftp. Okay, so cp slash linpiece.sh. I am putting it under temp directory. Okay, so let's go to temp directory and execute it. Okay, so it has started. Some output will quickly go above our window, so I have not increased the lines or rows, so I'm quickly just scrolling through to check if anything written is in red. So far nothing important. Okay, let's scroll more. Unexpected in root. I'm just quickly copying it. Nothing interesting so far. Scroll and finding IPs inside logs. Okay, I'm just scrolling up again. Interesting writable files /temp, all hidden files. Backup files. Okay, this thing. Let me copy both the things. So this should, I believe this should have been mentioned in red. So the modified interesting files in last 5 minutes. Okay, I will tell you why. Not exactly. I'm a little bit lost here. Um, One more file was mentioned here when I previously executed the lin piece. So we will come back here. Okay, maybe I know why one file is missing here. Okay, so let's park that aside for now. So what we got so far, we got let's remove it, or maybe let's keep it for now. And an unexpected file in root. So the files are this. Among these, this is one of the text file. So should I cancel this, or I need to keep it running? Otherwise my reverse shell will be lost. Maybe this will take time. Let's cancel this. Run the reverse shell again. Okay, so let's see our slash recipe dot text cat slash recipe dot text. Okay, so we got the answer. The secret forward and told him it was love. So this was the answer for the first question. Okay, and then the content of user flag and root flag. Can we access the user flag? ls slash home slash lennie. No, we can't. Okay, so what else? What else here? Incidents lost and found. So this is not usual. Let's see what it is under incidents. Suspicious PC or PNG. Okay, let's see if anything else in this directory. Um, Incidents. No, this is the only file. So we need to download this file. So copy this slash incidents slash suspicious dot pc a png file to what was the home directory, to slash var slash www slash html slash maybe as dot pc a png. No such file or directory. Why? Incidents slash incidents. um, Did I made a mistake? Let's try again. Slash incidents. Okay, so I don't know. Let's copy the name just in case. Okay, and slash var slash s dot. I don't know. Okay, so permission denied. Let's copy till here. And what is there in the directory? I completely forgot. So slash files slash ftp. So slash file slash ftp. I believe this has copied the file. Let's see ftp, and yep, we got the file. Let's download it, save it, and let's start the packet capture. um, Wireshark sudo password, and this should have gone to slash download directory, download ls. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is kind of packet capture, so we might see some unencrypted traffic logs. Let's see, file open, download suspicious dot. Okay, let's maximize, and I cannot zoom more. Okay, so I'm just identifying the TCP or HTTP stream using this bracket, so I will just follow first TCP stream and nothing unusual. So 1 to 20. Okay, then let's right click on the third one, TCP stream. I don't know if there is a better way to do this, but this is how I do. I just follow this dotted line. So from here, maybe another stream is starting. Uh, yes, so this is what I was looking for. So this is most likely TCP stream of SSH session. So we can see somebody logged on using www.data like we did. So the commands are ls minus la. So this was the output, and who am I? And the bin bash cd ls cd home cd and permission denied and sudo minus l, and this is the password. Maybe, but it is not accepting. 3 attempts and incorrect 3 attempts and etc password and exit. That's it. So the previous was not successful. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, that's it. No, let's remove the filter, and there are two more logs. So nothing here. um, http follow http stream, what it is. So 404 not found. Favy icon not found, and nothing special here. Error shell process terminated. Successfully opened reverse shell to this. So this was related to reverse shell. Nothing special. So we got one password. We are closing this, and this is the password, and this is the user. Oh my god, it was not copied. Okay, so here it is. I just copied it previously. Okay, so we can get out of this shell, and let's try the SSH using this user at the rate $IP, and this is the password. Yes, paste, and we got the shell. Okay, so let's upgrade our shell first uh, to bash maybe. Okay, let's see what all things are here. So we got the user flag. I'm not opening it here, and a script folder, document folder, and a cache folder. Okay, so let's before getting into it, I just want to show you one thing. So I'm just copying the output here, and I'm going to run um, linpiece one more time. Okay, can't open linpiece. Why? ls/temp. Okay, it is just the capital and small thing. Linpiece. I don't know tab autocomplete is working or not. Okay, let's zoom in and let's quickly scroll through. uh, cron jobs, no cron job exist, at least that we can benefit from. Network interface, so this is the usual things user. So this is quickly Scrolling up, we are not able to read all the things, but okay, so this is the section of interesting files, misconfigurations, capabilities, unexpected files. We have already seen this. Okay, so yeah, so this was what I was looking for. So after executing linpiece again, we can see these files. It was not earlier there, and we can see these files are modified in last 5 minutes. Okay, so some kind of scheduler is running. Okay, and this output was not present earlier when we executed the linpiece, because these files are under the user directory, home directory, and it was not accessible previously. So just make sure that if you are changing the username, then execute the linpiece script again, and you will get more interesting output. Okay, so everything is under user home directory, and we have already noted that we need to check all things under user directory. So let's do that. Okay, I'm canceling this. It will take a few seconds to cancel. Anything is running in background? Nothing. Okay, let's zoom in and cancel. Come on. Okay, finally. ls minus la. First thing first, let's start from the documents folder. ls slash documents concern list and note. Okay, can we read all the files in one go? um, yes, we have already. Okay, so the first one is concern: I got banned from your library for moving out C programming language. Is there any way I can appeal? Lenny, the user. Then the shopping list: cyberpunk, milk, dog, or dog food. And the note is reminders. Talk to maybe this is another user or something about our lacking security. Hire a web developer and delete incident logs. So nothing important here. Um, Concern list and note. Okay, maybe this is kind of rabbit hole. I was not have not explored this very much because I was interested in this thing, like files which are getting modified in last 5 minutes. Okay, so let's check the scripts folder. ls la, is it stuck? I'm not able to type for some reason. Okay, lsla, planner.sh and startup list.txt. So this was the file which is getting modified every 5 minutes. Uh, Date 1642 1642. Um, let's see the file output. It is blank. Let's see the script output. So this is executing another script that is under etc print.sh, and obviously we cannot modify this script. This is owned by root, and since this file, this is kind of output file which is getting modified every minute or 5 minutes, and the user is root, the file is owned by root, so I'm assuming the process is executed by root here. Okay, so we cannot modify the planner.sh, but let's see what about etc print.sh. Less minus l. Okay, so we own this file. We can write this file. So let's check the content first. Bin bash and echo done. Okay, so we can um, write some reverse shell here again. There can be different method to take the root shell. Okay, so I'm just copying the standard output here with the same port we used earlier, 9443. So the output is, the syntax I used is not clear, so let me show you. Cat print.sh. So this was the output. Let's enter again. The standard reverse shell net using netcat, and the port is 9443. So maybe this is getting executed every time we have not started the netcat. Let's do that and see. LVNP 9443. Okay, let's wait for a minute or two. ls-l 65, oh sorry, 45. Let's wait for one more minute. So earlier it was modified at 642, now 645. So maybe it is executed every minute and not 5 minutes. So yes, we got a shell. Okay, let's zoom here, and since we got the root shell, I'm not we don't need to do anything, and we can just read this flag, which I'm not going to do now. Okay, just to check if we can read the file. Yes, we can. So this is it. This was simple and nice capture the flag challenge. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if so, please subscribe, and if you have any suggestion or any question, please leave the comment. Let's meet in another video. Have a great day. Bye bye.